He told the guy next door, you can get it out of the lake, it's yours, because it was a fast one. So that guy went and bought him one of those underwater cameras.
No way. Oh my God.
And after he found it, he switched to backup.
Oh my God. That's cool.
Are you getting pictures of it?
I'm videotaping it.
Oh.
So I can show them.
Well, then you'd help hug us, you know. Can we go? Can we go where that guy had the ball? Can we go? Can we go, baby? Can we go?
Keaton. 10.
Keaton?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, they're sharing the birthday one. Keaton was in February, right?